All right, this is a loop band, and we're doing external rotation. So the key here is just making sure that we're keeping our elbows pinned in. If I'm doing this and my elbows are coming out, this is more of just like a lateral shoulder raise. Great exercise, totally fine to do, but not what we're targeting here. The goal here, elbows pinned in, bring the wrists out, back in, and we're gonna pump. The goal for this is to get a good shoulder pump in doing so, okay? And we're just gonna pump back and forth, back and forth. Now, as a starting point, if you're having a little bit of pain with this, what I want you to start with is just holding, getting some activation and some tension into that muscle. And then after you do a few just iso holds, typically then going into the external rotation feels fine, and then you can just rep it out.